Everyone, my name is Simon. I'm CEO of Precision Navigation Systems. In this short video, I'm going to tell you why we created Stargate RTK. When we started to learn more about international markets and access to GNSS correction services like RTK, we learned one thing. Despite the whole Europe is covered with different GNSS correction services, and even United States is covered pretty well, some places are even covered 2 or 3 times, it's still difficult to find easy way to access RTK correction services. And for companies that are well established and want to grow to different regions, or for fast growing startups who want to deploy their fleets all around Europe or all around the States, it's a big struggle to easily connect to GPS, GNSS correction services, get access to RTK so that it's efficient, fast, and cheap, or allows their budget to grow further. That's why we created Stargate RTK. And this is how it's gonna look like. You can connect to any place within minutes, within seconds, get access to correction services, and grow your business.